Alright, so today we're taking a look at my Lord of the Rings collection, at least what I have displayed. Instead of just doing a single statue review, I'll just go over all the statues one by one and give kind of a brief overview, what I like and dislike about all the pieces. And we'll start today with the Iron Studios Lurtz. This piece I held off on getting for a while because I thought it was going to be kind of one note and not have a lot of, I know it's Lord of the Rings, it's kind of muted, but I didn't think it was going to have a lot of pop, but it actually does, between the base, his bow and arrows, his Hand of Sauron. There's a lot going on with this, and it's a piece that I'm really happy I picked up. The likeness is pretty good. The paint application is pretty solid. To be honest, I really don't have any complaints about this one. It's one that I'm really happy that I picked up. The second one that we're talking about today is the Iron Studios 1/10 Golem. The likeness, it comes with two of them. The likeness on this one isn't my favorite, but on the other one it looks a lot like him. But on the other one he's looking down. So I use this one because where it's situated it just makes more sense to have him looking up. Second one we're looking at is the Tower of Orthanc by Weta, the miniature version. This one is really cool. It has a lot of details. They make it look like it's etched from stone. And it has the stairs. It has, the little area that, or the wheel where Saruman dies. Spoiler alert. But it's a really cool, fun piece. I love that one. Second one we're looking at is, or the fourth one we're looking at is Iron Studios Witch King 1/10. This one might be my favorite. I love the base. I love his stance. It's just a really cool piece. My only gripes about this one is I think they went a little heavy trying to make the bottom of his cape and his feet look dirty. I think they could have been a little more subtle about that. And when you first get it, the sword, it looks really dark. It's almost black, so I repainted that, so it looks a lot better. But out of the box, that was a complaint of mine. But even if I hadn't made that change, I would still love this piece. It's really great. Next, we're looking at the Weta Fell Beast. This one is really well made. I'm trying to get focused. There we go. A lot of detail into such a small piece. The Witch King on it, kind of funny looking. He's instead of, it looks like it's kind of rounded out as opposed to like pointy spikes on his helmet, but I think for its size they did a good job. But this one is really cool. A ton of detail packed into a small piece. Next we have Barad-dûr by Weta, the miniature version. It comes with this Eye of Sauron that you can remove. Again, just like the Tower of Orthanc, they pack a ton of detail into this small piece. Honestly, I can't really think of any complaints about this one. I think maybe they could have put it's kind of just one color, maybe because there's stonework and like mountainside. It could have been a little bit more two-tone, but I don't even know that would be movie accurate. So overall, it's a really cool piece. I love this one. Next up, we're looking at the Orcs by Iron Studios. These are really cool pieces. Again, a ton of detail packed into them. For them being so small, it's like pretty incredible. They even have like real rings on them, stuff like that. The bases are a little bit weak, but I don't care too much. They're simple enough to where your eyes aren't really drawn to the base anyway, so yeah, just really cool, fun pieces. Also, this one's supposed to have an arrow in his bow, but mine kind of just crapped out after a little while, so I just have it at the base. It still looks good, but yeah, it'd be nice if it kind of stayed there. But again, these pieces are so small. Little intricate pieces like that don't always work out, unfortunately. But these are some pieces that I really don't see myself letting go anytime soon. So really, really fun pieces. All right, next up is the Gandalf. This is a really cool piece. I know I probably say that about all of them. The portrait could be better, could be worse. You know it's him, but it's not exact likeness. I'd say everything else I really like about it. The staff looks really good. The sword looks good. His pose is really great. And of course, I had to pair him up with the Weta Balrog. I mean, this piece is super menacing. His pose is just crazy. He looks, he just looks boss level coming down. The flames look really good. They don't look real by any means, but they did a really good job with them. It's just like a really, really cool piece. This is another one where you wouldn't think it would pop, but because of all the intricacies throughout, he has, it looks like through every crevice in his body, flame is trying to come out of it. Even through his eyes, through his mouth. Just a ton of detail. It looks really, really great. So, really, really fun piece. And then pairing it with the Gandalf, they go really well together. So that pretty much wraps it up. Let me know which statues were your favorite, which ones you have had, and if you want me to do any in-detailed reviews of any single pieces, let me know, and I'll try and get on that. Thanks.